What are you eating, kiddo? What do you have?
I love you.
You let me to the moon?
Yeah.
Is that because I gave you ice cream cone? What are you eating? Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Say delicious. Can you say that?
Delicious.
Very good. All right, kiddo. Enjoy your first ice cream cone.
I do not hard over here.
It's not hard over there?
Yeah.
Is it soft ice cream? Is it hot or cold?
Cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
Okay. You enjoying it? It's yummy?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.